Stapleton House is based in Islington, and it is located right across from Holloway Road Tube Station and conveniently placed next to many grocery stores, restaurants, cafes, and also the Emirates Stadium, home to the Arsenal football team. When you first enter, you're greeted with the lobby. You can hang out here with your friends. You can also get some work done here. In the same area, there is the study space, which is where I often go to get work done. There's also a vending machine here, which is great if you want a late night snack, but all the grocery stores are closed. When entering the bedroom, you are first greeted by the door to the washroom before seeing the rest of the bedroom. The bed itself is a 2/3 bed, so it is larger than a twin, but smaller than a double. All furniture is provided, such as all the storage drawers and the desk. I was definitely worried about storage space prior to moving in, but I can definitely confirm that there is enough space for everything. My favorite little storage nook is the space beneath my bed. I store all of my recently read books in this area here. Overall, there's quite a lot of storage. Anything that I can't fit into the drawers, I have them on the shelving unit above the bed. As for the closet, there is lots of space. As you can see, there are 2 racks, one on the top and one on the bottom. For some of my longer items, I just have them dangle slightly to the side. I also have 2 coats hanging on an additional stick-on hook that I've just stuck to the wall. As for the washroom, there is a shower, sink, and the toilet. It comes with built-in hooks for your towels. I've utilized one here to add my eucalyptus. There's also a cabinet where you can place your other items. So I live in an ensuite bedroom, which means you will have 7 flatmates, meaning 8 people will share one kitchen. The kitchen is provided with 2 ovens, 2 stovetops, and 2 refrigerators. There is also a lot of cabinet space, and it is enough for me to store everything that I have. Kitchens also come with appliances such as the microwave, the kettle, and a toaster. Fun fact about my kitchen space is that we can see the Shard and also the side of the London Eye if you look closely. The stairs and the lobby will lead to the upper outdoor space where there are more tables to hang out at. From here you can actually see the main courtyard, which will lead to the laundry area. Unfortunately, the weather went from sunny to rainy within the span of me filming this tour, typical London weather, but it is a great spot to hang out when the weather is nice.